How to use Robinhood like a pro. To use Robinhood effectively like a pro, focus on building a strong financial base, educating yourself, and employing disciplined strategies. Now, as for foundational steps, you must prioritize your financial health, pay off any type of high interest debt that you have, and maximize employer 401 matches before investing. You must also define and establish clear goals and invest responsibly, which means only the money that you can afford to lose. You can leverage Robinhood's within the app features like commission-free trading, fractional shares, dividend reinvestment, cash management, and so on. And you can have some smart investment strategies such as to diversifying your investments, long-term focus, informed trading, research, candlestick, and charts. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.